In the vast panorama of human history, wrestling stands as one of the most timeless sports, tracing back to when our ancestors first grappled in the dust of ancient civilizations. This primal exchange of power and prowess has echoed across the globe, engraving itself as a cornerstone of cultural heritage. Wrestling's simplicity has captivated audiences throughout the ages, marking the first chapters where early societies laid the sport's enduring foundation. As empires burgeoned and waned, the essence of wrestling persisted, an art form epitomizing human potential and resilience. Our journey begins at the precipice of the mat, peering back to when it was more than a sport, a testament to the unyielding human spirit. The narrative of wrestling spans from ancient arenas to modern stages, evolving alongside the civilizations it has touched. Societies have flourished, and through them, wrestling has metamorphosed, leaving historical imprints along its path. More than a demonstration of strength, wrestling is a chronicle of human culture woven into our history. Over time, the sport advanced, adopting sophisticated techniques that define its contemporary form. With each adaptation, wrestling reflects the drive for refinement and the enduring spirit of competition. As we explore the sophisticated dance of modern wrestling, we witness how the mat's laws mold the duel's very essence, fostering fairness and honor amid intense rivalry. We've beheld wrestling's storied past, leading us to the vital fabric of the sport, the rules. These principles clarify the mat's dynamic interplay, outlining strategic contests where athletes engage in a calculated symphony of movement. The scoring system pulses at wrestling's heart, awarding points for pivotal moves that reflect the bout's shifting momentum. Weight classes assure fairness, focusing on skill rather than raw mass. Match procedures contribute to wrestling's unique cadence, and adherence to these rules honors the rich tradition that has propelled wrestling into a global mainstay. The wrestler's attire is paramount, functioning as both a protective carapace and a facilitator of victory. The singlet, emblematic of resilience, constrains the opponent's hold while permitting unrestricted movement. Wrestling shoes, designed for optimal mat friction, offer stability, and protective gear shields athletes, maintaining their readiness for successive challenges. As wrestlers suit up, they transform, ready not only to compete but to engage with full honor in the sport's time-honored ritual. Wrestling extends beyond personal gear, where the mat itself is a vital ally. Engineered to lessen the impact of combat, mats are consistent across venues, from local gyms to Grand Olympic arenas. Training tools, though unheralded by crowds, are the crucible where tomorrow's talent is honed. The equipment, from dummies to resistance bands, perfects the exacting techniques of wrestling. Ensuring safety with meticulously designed gear, athletes can compete securely, focusing on the match's intensity rather than the risk of injury. Wrestling's legacy intertwines the globe, binding disparate cultures with its universal language of competition. Wrestling has evolved into a worldwide narrative, an Olympic standard-bearer, where every match etches a microcosm of passion into humanity's collective story. As athletes from varying nations compete, they foster unity, breaking barriers with each bout. Wrestling is an emblem of world heritage that reverberates from Asia's bustling centers to European tradition, immortalizing its influence. In the American wrestling scene, passion spans from youth leagues to professional ranks, each participant chasing dreams of distinction on the mat. Collegiate programs meld academics with athletics, grooming skill, and camaraderie. Professional leagues showcase epic confrontations, birthing legends, and galvanizing fans. This tenacious pursuit of wrestling extends a lineage drawn from the sport's inception, enshrining each competitor within its vast history. Wrestlers confront formidable challenges, both on the mat and in their quest for recognition. With arduous training and unyielding will, they exemplify wrestling's essence, transcending the sport to become symbols of perseverance. Each narrative of underdog triumph enriches the sport's legacy, a testament to resolve and respect garnered through their odysseys. Wrestling's collective heirloom deepens with every story of struggle and victory. Wrestling's cultural impact is profound, influencing arts and society well beyond the bounds of sport. Its struggles and triumphs reflect the universal human narrative, inspiring tales that captivate beyond the ring. Wrestling embodies willpower, shaping communities and valorized in various art forms. Athletes' narratives contribute to the chronicle of human aspiration, rendering wrestling a timeless tableau of the human condition. As we conclude our excursion through wrestling's essence, the invitation now extends to you to play an active role in this living heritage. Your support, whether on the mat or from the stands, fuels wrestling's enduring fire. Engage with the wrestling community, lend your voice to its growth, and help preserve its storied tradition. Together, we ensure that wrestling's legacy shines on, uniting us in the joy of this ancient sport.